Hey friends, if you wish to play the Surf game in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the path is edge colon backslash backslash surf. We'll go to this path and hit enter. This is the Surf game. You can start with it and you can start pulling this person on both sides, and let's see if I will win the game or I will just crash into someone. Okay, we can also stop it. Hey, this is fun. Okay. Now you can resume the game or you can pause it and go back to the main menu. You can also choose different types of games, like this is the zigzag game. It is tougher for me. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.